Let's have a single girl free. Hey, so let's have a girl. She JB.
Hold on. How are you doing?
Yeah.
You're bad. Strip naked if you're bad. Take off your clothes if you're bad.
You're bad.
You're not bad.
You're not bad. So let go my locks make my head run free.
Only wine pan girl. Me swear me only wine pan girl. For only girl can wine pan me.
Oh.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Yeah man, Jokey thing I go on good, you know. Painting work, you know. Painter.
Jokey, what's going on, man?
Yeah.
Well,
See that?
I'm here, man.
Yeah.
I was dining till you came around here to tell you what's happening.
Yeah. Yeah, tell me what's happening.
Yeah, tell me what's happening.
How him gone?
From all the time I've been here, it's the first, last night I ever slept so good, man.
Whoa.
And everything don't come in as yet.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Just imagine when the bed and so, I'm gonna sleep like Alice in Wonderland, man. I slept very well last night.
Yeah. I did not finish it.
Believe. The painting and, you know, the place was just my man Keen. I'm really have to bless your brethren and all those people who donate money to. You got me?
Yeah, I'll do it as well.
Gosh.
Whoa.
I tell you, I'm gonna live like a king, man.
Yeah. It's a king man.
King man.
Not king.
Yeah, king man.
You live like a king.
Gosh.
Yeah. Tell me, colors they getting on you, say any colors.
Yes, look, Lelo is my favorite color too. Lelo is my favorite color. Yeah. So many glad on my seat up in Lelo yesterday.
Everything I've been going and shit.
Yeah, Lelo, and this is the Moschino one here, you know. It's, and oh gosh.
You turn mosquito now.
And we say color, so the house they have a color, yeah.
Have a color.
Real key,
Coming on fine color, boy.
Little brother.
Joking.
Just imagine when bed and everything coming.
Once I'm gonna wait this
But guess what? I have to wake up. To me know you guys were coming, so I have to get up, clean up the place and whatever.
Otherwise, that's still asleep.
Oh my gosh,
Comfortable.
beautiful killer, brother. So I feel some cool breeze just are rolling. Me never have the door open. Some cool breeze coming through here. Yeah, and I just steal the piece of bed there. Then just imagine when the right bed get in.
Jeez.
Oh my gosh. Probably Joseph them have to come down and wonder if me die. Yeah, brother. Very comfortable kilo, man. I like. Yeah, man.
And the thing is, you know, that matching floor, you know.
Yeah, man. Gosh.
That match the floor.
Yeah, man.
Or Joe experiment something.
No, I get out there. Floor polish there, ready? Ready?
Oh.
Get it out.
So you use the color of the vibe. Joe go and do the painting today. Joe multitask, multi-talented. Can do everything.
Kilo. From early this morning, Mr. Carl, he told me just come get the piece of mattress, the piece of sponge. And you know, so that's when the workers them got here, they have no problem.
The budget I put some cement here, so.
Yeah, I get them.
You say I get them a post against the new colors. I was a fix up and thing, you know, I think a jokey.
Yeah.
We give thanks to the donors them.
Most.
Give thanks to the Almighty.
You know, a million times I have to give them thanks because what I'm saying, we did live in a pigsty. And those people now, oh my gosh, they're gonna let Juki start living like a king. Oh my gosh. I thank you so much. The boss Kino, if you never him.
No boss.
Oh, the big man Kino there.
Kino,
yeah, man, thank him. Thank you. Is in Kino and big up to the workers there. Dream team. Yeah. Really?
The Almighty.
Most can't say the Almighty Father. I met me walk, me live until now, you know. You know so chuck they do me.
Yeah.
When me there at the airport and when people get off flight and saw me, they said, damn, you was on the flight. I say, you're crazy. I was on no flight. I just help you guys with your luggages and you give me a little, you got me?
Whatever.
Yeah, when people here say that happened to me, they must say, Imo always at airport. But, you know, my Father God, great. Real. And if you now go to church, you have to put your trust in the Almighty God.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, brother, because the room that stay what? Kino, when you look up boy, you're afraid of me, you know?
You tell me, man.
Alright.
Let's come this guy here.
You tell me,
The
man.
real thing, the room that look. So we come from hospital, but white out and...
Man, so them come out the hospital and look like ghosts.
Ghost. Yeah, man.
Me have to run.
Afraid of me when them see me, I run him run.
Stop that, yo.
Him should have said that. That means they look really bad then.
Yeah, really bad.
You see me, if I daylight and me I run from you, boy, joke.
Full virgin. God really
You know me then I told you I mash up on
this.
painting.
Yeah.
I have to love you.
Then I told you I mash up on painting.
Yeah. Okay. So we have 2 donations for you today. Yeah, I had 4,000 from Ivan from Canada. 4,000 from Ivan from Canada.
Miss Yvonne, may the Lord bless and keep you. Thank you very much.
Yes, so count it. 4,000 from Ivan. And you have Jennifer.
Yeah.
5,000 from Jennifer from the USA. 5,000 from Jennifer.
Thank you very much, Miss Jennifer. May the Lord bless and keep you. And keep up the good work that you're doing.
Yeah.
Yeah, Juki love you. So I'm gonna count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah. That's from Jennifer from the US. So yeah, we are going to continue with the good work, Juki. You know the thing now?
Yeah.
Dream team are going to do the thing. House are going to paint us, so you're so good running.
You know I like the color.
Yeah, you use the colors, man.
Yeah, but and you see Lelo, me thing have been Lelo tonight. Yeah, and me love the Lelo with them use.
First it's not yellow, it's Lelo.
Paint wall. Yeah, then I use a color man, so you know the house have a color up.
And you see everyone the same color on your shirt, yellow.
And on my shirt too. You know what, even this shirt, you know when I just bought the shirt, everybody love it.
Oh, and them seen it.
Oh,
Them seen it, you lay low.
you know my Lelo house.
Seen it, you lay low.
Yes, folks. This is what Juki Place look like.
Yeah.
So I have to thank you guys over there. Yeah.
Beautiful. Tell Peter said beautiful.
Beautiful.
I ain't not done yet.
And he ain't finished as yet. Until I say I sleep, I say I can't believe I was sleeping so nice last night. Trust me, I thought I wouldn't wake this morning, bro. And the bed doesn't come in yet. The television does. Oh my! Just imagine when those get in. Oh my gosh!
Living life.
You people over there. Oh my gosh! You are so real. Real.
Cry so real to you,
Oh my gosh! Sir, my sir, I'm not the water they don't for washing the foot and drink the water. Yeah, just me. But Juki love all of you guys. And just keep up the good work. Only for blessing and all. I can't stop big up Kino, you know?
And the dream team.
It's possible. Big up the dream team every time, you know? Yeah. God, look how they did the thing very nice, bro. My gosh.
I ain't not finished yet.
I ain't finished yet. Big up to Mr. Carl, you know?
Yeah.
And Jella, you know? Yeah. The rest of the team, they ain't here. They somewhere different, but big them up too. Yeah. Oh, Mr. Joe here.
Joe.
Yeah, I don't even remember. Yeah. He's one of the painter too, man.
Yeah, he's one of the
Yeah, look how the man did the ceiling, bro. Oh my God, I never knew you so talented. And then, oh my gosh, that's my lifesaver, Mr. Joseph. Whenever time I'm out of food, I just go link him. He ain't flapping me, man. Mr. Joe, I go in. We grow together, man.
Oh, we never grow in.
Yeah. I'm afraid of you, the man. Now I'm hungry, you know. If I'm hungry, I mean want the run hungry. Yeah. Sometimes we run hungry and in here. I'm pushing up. You can't go on you run in dead if you're hungry.
And your food
can't. Joseph, can't stop right there, me out of my
straight.
Yeah, man.
Hey, go and look at yourself, man.
Long time.
Every time. Colors. Real.
Yeah, you know, because you that man. Something to tell you, you donors over there. Guess what happened to Juki Jam right now? My God bag, it just got bursted. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it just got bursted.
It's a bust like a balloon.
Oh my gosh, man. Why? I love you so much. Because I tell you, it's the first time in this piece of house I ever sleep so comfortable.
Gratitude.
Yeah. Painting and whatever, be a fresh breeze, I start to get. So just imagine when the bed get in, the television get in and whatever. Oh my gosh. Probably my friend have to come knock me up and say, I want to Juki. I want to Juki. Yeah, man. Them people, man, can't stop digging them up, brother. But my pain that you know if I might jinx it.
Hold on. How are you doing? You're bad. Strip naked if you're bad. Take off your clothes if you're bad.
You're bad.
You're not bad.
You're not bad. So let go my locks make my head run quick.
Only wine pan girl. Me swear me only wine pan girl. For only girl can wine pan me.
Oh.
Good up all the girl them good old. Good old. The girl them with the good old. Oh. Two man of a play bingo. Me know. Two man of a play. You make the one. Mario, take a short piece of cut. Alright, baby, we'll see you, baby. One team, one family, cool now. Dream team. One team. The chef outside the kitchen. Jokey.
What's up, bro?
What's about the food?
Oh my God, it's slapped away. Slapped it away, man. Oh my God.
Delicious.
The dancer is named Remy, man.
Yeah. The whole chef is not here today.
Dance over there. Yeah.
Sexy D, where will be? I am at the chef today. Where's the barge? How are you going?
Top of top.
Top or top? I see that.
Everything out of the way.
Fish, one thing, jerk chicken. It's a birthday party and I him get the chef part, so him have the beard and get ready for that one.
One more again.
Another beard. Alright, let's still play.
No, you want to go on in that thing, you know.
So you're going to take one more dumpling?
No, you want to?
One more dumpling?
We have excess amount chef. We have painter, excess amount painter, excess amount, etc. going down. So,
Uncle DJ them.
eh?
Uncle DJ.
The DJ,
Enough talent there.
enough talent there.
One DJ and be a dancer. Oh, you have Snoop, what's your name?
My son.
My son. My son.
Killer sound about, man.
Yeah.
Killer sound, man.
I want team same.
I want team. I want the change. Joe.
Big Joe.
Big Joe, pass that for a minute then. Hey, we don't man of my age. Come in here, think. Come in here, think there.
Come in, sir.
Jella, come on.
Come in, theater, sir. Come in so much.
Come on.
Joe, take this some again.
Marvin not there, so we
Yeah. So Marvin is not here today.
Let's take in a Marvin.
Big up Marvin.
Big up in a Marvin.
Yeah. And the whole chef is not here today as well. He's there, see him here.
Food there on the wall.
And the electrician is still not here, see him here. So we're there with one team.
JT.
Real team. You see me and say, Jokey. The one team. Oh.
That sound good, man. One thing.
JT.
The dream team.
Wow.
I say, Jokey, wow.
Oh my gosh.
Your dream will come true.
But what I'm saying, man,
Yeah.
if I slept so well last night,
Yeah.
just imagine tonight, bro. Oh my. But I ain't sleeping on that piece of whole bed there, man. You can always throw away, man. I'm going on the floor, man. Yeah, man. Going on the floor.
Yeah, but yeah.
Right, on the island up. Yeah. Gravy.
Gravy.
All of it too.
Alright. Alright.
Right.
Ready.
I will do it again.
Ready.
I will do it again. Sexy. When we're looking at it in my house, I'm gonna see what took place in there. My glad bag, it just got bursted, yo. Exactly. Just got bursted, man.
Just like that.
Oh my gosh, when I go inside and take a view. Dream team. Oh, Kazan again. The dream team. We can't hear you. Kazan. Dream team, man.
And the donors.
And the donors up there, man.
Yeah, and the donors.
Yeah.
The Almighty.
Just imagine tonight.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. So you may say dream team. So a donation for the team from Spanish Town, man, in the USA. So we must bless up the dream team, man. Then.
Eggtown, man.
Spanish Town, man. There's a one town and Spanish Town. They call it Spanish Town, man. You know, say a trench town thing. Straight. One town. Oh, Joe, them there. So you have Carl from Spanish Town, man. In the US.
Spanish Town, man.
Yeah.
Bless up and give thanks. You see, appreciate it.
Straight.
Enough love.
And you have Fast Car from Spanish Town, man.
Spanish Town, and there's some born in St. Catherine. You want some bird paper?
I told 4-seater bar.
Spanish Town, born and come and come grow.
Yeah.
If you want to prove, I can show you my bird paper. St. Catherine, mark on my bird paper, not Kingston.
I have liquor and Spanish Town, man.
Big up yourself with the Spanish Town, man. In the blessing, minister. And big up all of the dreams, man. Big up all of the donor them same way.
Yeah.
When the ex out box the same way now. And now man and him wife, big up same way. We not left now.
The church.
The church also.
I have Remy, come here, Remy. From Spanish Town, man.
Big up, you know, give thanks, you know. Spanish Town, man. You know the style, you know.
Big chef.
I don't know what side to protect you. All the doing now. Blessed love to everybody in the world. Sexy, everyone.
Come in,
Dream team.
Them Diamond, come in.
Gotcha.
From Spanish Town, man.
One God. Spanish Town, that's big up, you know. Trench Town, you say, you know, just right job you get daddy. You
Yeah.
don't provide nothing, but we give thanks to the donation, you know.
Yeah, man.
Body on the board, that's big up.
Yeah.
Nathan fell, Mike, you wanna get him from?
Yeah.
Him could have bad. Man change different route.
Yeah.
Everybody can, but I go to say one thing.
How you mean? Well said. Well said. Talpi.
What my name that? Yeah, man. Yes,
Spanish Town, man.
Spanish Town.
Straight Spanish Town, no Engtown. Don't give a shit they know. Yeah, man. Straight now. Bless
Yeah,
them.
yeah.
Yeah.
Come in, Light Parks. From Spanish Town, man.
One team, you know, Spanish Town, man. Big up yourself for the more love and the protection.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Straight team, man.
Joe. Come in, Joe. The Jedi. From Spanish Town, man.
Give thanks for your grace and your token. Blessed and love.
Yeah.
Respect Rastafari and Jesus Christ.
Come in, Jay. Come in. Yeah. From Spanish Town, man.
Spanish Town, man.
Yeah, from the
Spanish
US.
Town, man, from the US.
Yeah.
Enough respect. Keep yourself safe, Spanish Town, man.
Yeah.
Take care of yourself, Spanish Town, man.
Yeah.
And big up all the donors, them.
Beautiful love.
Yeah.
Straight.
Straight love.
Real team. Pianta. Bramwell. From Spanish Town, man.
Man, big up yourself. You see?
Yeah.
Love and respect. Honor.
One team.
One
Come in, baby. Spanish Town, man.
Thanks to the Spanish Town crew in New York.
Yeah.
Thanks for the donation. And bless up yourself. And may everything never empty.
Yeah.
One team, dream
Dream
team.
team. Clax, man. From Spanish Town, man.
Spanish Town, man. One love.
Yeah. Yeah.
Big up yourself.
Straight. Yeah. I'm going to say Bill, we're going to give the Bill a round of applause. You might as well give the Bill a round of applause. You see me I say? One team. So Bill.
Bill and them teacher.
The teacher.
Respect, man. Spanish Town, enough love.
Yeah.
Trust me. I just eat a chicken back and I tell you all the gravy I drink. Right enough. I'm gravy. Gravy down, chef, and bad like
Yeah, so the whole chef not there, and Marvin not there, and Kedan, so you know, so we're going to offer them donation for whenever them come. You see me, I say, so we're going to big up Spanish Town, man, once more again. So we say one team,
Dream team.
real team, one team,
Dream team. One team. Dream team.
real team. Don't get kitchen where I go now. Come, baby. Don't get kitchen. Don't play one 5.
Jesus. Some people don't know you also 5.
Don't play one, baby.
He's in more like everybody else. 3, yeah.
Alright, baby.
Where far there? One
Baby
team.
can manage. See far, yeah.
Thanks, go in there.
Left that man, I get it and joke.
Yeah, man.
So one plate to one of us.
Take out one of them, sir.
Diamond. Natural.
Yeah, man, way down this.
The first one diamond clear. Just a reach, huh?
Yeah, man.
Just a reach.
Yeah, man. I go on my Jenna. Whoa.
Whoa. Just a come off of the work.
Yeah, man. I'm going to look at food, you know?
Yeah.
I'm going to look at settings. I'm going on, man. Some days, you know?
Yeah.
I look at package. You know, really. I know where the team there, man. Took my day, I sat there, you know. Sunday. You see me?
Yeah.
I don't know if they're them there, you know, proper thing for the team.
Yeah.
Whoa! Yeah, man.
Spanish Town, man.
Jenna.
Spanish Town, man, send a donation for the team.
Yeah, man.
I was just about cheer out every man and you know, say, yo, we over there.
Yeah, man.
So you have $2,000 from Spanish Town, man, in the USA.
Spanish Town, no, Spanish Town I come from a while ago.
See there?
Yeah, man. Spanish Town, man. Only for respect, you know.
Sure.
For big up and only for respect, you know, yeah. Watch out.
Where you eat?
They want to eat now, no put ital stew, you know.
Yeah, the ital chef is.
Yeah, Saturday, all I cook Saturday. Ital stew.
Where's the Rick? You there? Sat there?
Sat there.
Yeah.
I mean, I cancel work and come Saturday.
Yeah, come on, I'm going to Saturday, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, come in, see, me can do on Sunday.
Yeah.
No, we buy some banana pie from the morning.
Yeah.
Steam some vegetable and fry some breadfruit.
Yeah.
Dumpling, fried dumpling.
And dumpling them too as well. Then I later on, tonka meal
Yeah.
and stew and winning man.
Oh, see there? The Afro Spikes is here. Everybody are talking about the Afro Spikes, you know.
Man, on the bad man.
Yeah, man.
Afro Spikes.
Everybody are talking about the Afro Spikes, chef.
So,
You see me about the Afro Spikes is here. And the Wow Chef. And the Wow Chef. So them say Saturday?
Yeah.
Them a put in the mixture Saturday, man, boy. So them say in the morning, what go on in the morning again? Make Baja here.
Banana porridge.
Banana
porridge.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And boy, I say my Friday dumpling and the
Kalaloo. Breadfruit.
Steam Kalaloo. So Saturday was good. The food I cook.
Yeah, man. Oh, Tia Branks.
Alright, yeah.
I'm looking brown for so we can cook them killer with right now.
Yeah. Afro Spice away, the Kotikan Ital.
Yeah. Yes, good.
Oh.
You remember the skin notes?
Always I eat Kotikan food, man. You know,
baby.
Yeah, baby. From in the fold-up box them. Kotikan Itals. True.
Them time that we have paid $20 feet.
And now how much we have paid?
We can go down there and still get $100 food.
Okay. So the price I go up. And with a spread, planning to get to a $200.
No, man.
$250.
And still, him know if he'll shorten the rice and the stew for me. The spread. The pan. $100.
Yeah. See the Afro Spike.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.